Model, 64-plate Vauxhall Vivaro TRAFIC Sportive 1.6 CDTID, L2H1 long wheelbase, factory-fitted crew cab in black grin. Body, black, crew cab. Mileage, 161443. MOT, 16 October 2024. Engine, 1598 cc 1.6120 PS BITURBO S, SE5. Transmission, 6-speed manual, front-wheel drive. Mechanical summary, starts perfect. Runs perfect. Gearbox, drivetrain, transmission perfect. Pulls in every gear. No warning lights on the dash, grin. Condition summary, bodywork is in decent, average condition. Interior is very clean. Rear load area is very clean, genuine honest work van. Features, air conditioning, electric windows. EU status, Euro 5. HPI, clear. Cap retail, 6,000.